Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo Placements. This is your general and love reading bago mag-end ang March. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga nangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung mayroon pong tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, okay, yung ating protection from evil eye, yung ating love bracelet, si granter necklace, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo, and tagapagbigay ng surprises, and syempre, si cord cutting. So yes, message na lang po, no, sa akong FB page for more info. And syempre, don't forget, na i-follow and i-subscribe yung akin pong second YouTube channel, The Love Letter. Yes, pwede kayong mag-send ng mga love messages ninyo dun. Oo, sa kung sino man na gusto ninyong pag-sendan. Lalo na yung mga naka-block na dyan. Gawin yung way, yung love letter para maipahayag ninyo, masabi ninyo. 'Di ba? Malay mo, follower din siya doon. O, 'di ba? Okay, so let's start the reading. Leo placements in general. Anong meron? Bago magandang March. Anong meron? What's for you? Okay. Six of Pentacles in reverse and the Lovers. What's with the Six of Pentacles in reverse? The Five of Wands. Kung may dumating, nakakonect, or love, or relationship bago magandang March, medyo madrama to. Kung paano mo minanifest itong taong to, itong connection na to, is napakababa. Yeah. So dramatic. I need this. I need them. I need her. Like that. Sana bumalik na siya. Sana magbalikan kami. Ting! Ayan na. Kung paano mo minanifest, ganun ka rin pagdating sa magiging connection nyo. Yeah. Kung may dumating man. Okay? So, hanggat maaari. Ngayon pa lang, baguhin mo na. No, baguhin mo na. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. A reconnection, maybe. Partnership. Drama. Pagdating sa partnership. Arguments. Mga hindi pagkakaintindihan. So, what else for Leo? Two of Cups in reverse. What's that? The Five of Cups. Some of you, kung ikaw itong nakaalis na sa isang drama pagdating sa, sabihin nating connection. This is all about connection or relationship. Gusto ko dito, general lang, pero this is so specific. Iba sa inyo, makaka-move on na. Makaka-move on na. And yung iba dito, be careful kasi meron ako nakikita ritong makeup sex. I don't know kung paano. I don't know kung saang side yun, kung saang part yun papasok. Okay? Some of you, may chance kasi na pwedeng you're moving on. Nagiging okay ka na, and then suddenly, here they are. Your past is andyan na naman. Some of you, may mangyayari pang makeup sex. Be careful. Ayaw natin mag-back to zero. Yeah, the World in reverse. The unfinished business. Nakaka-move on ka na, Huwag mo nang hayaan na mag-back to zero ka na naman. Meron ditong mapupurnada na usapan, kung ano man, schedule. May mapapending kasi dito kung nakikita rin na travel via airplane. Pero malayo, kung hindi man airplane. What else? Four of Wands in reverse. Entertaining other options or grabbing a new opportunity for some of you bago mag-end ang March. Iba sa inyo pwedeng new work. Okay, a collaboration maybe. Some of you may chance na lumipat ng bahay bago mag-end ang March. Or magkakaroon ng plano na lumipat. Yeah, the 5 of Swords in reverse. Sa paganda to, ang nakukuha ko dito. Okay, yeah, Temperance. Parang mababalansi eh. Parang may magiging okay. Schedules maybe, time mo, the location, something like that. Ayun yung mga kaakibat, no, na pwedeng magiging okay. Sabihin natin kasama yon. Parang may i-adjust. The word adjust. Para mas maging okay, mas maging easy. Smooth flowing, kung ano man. Okay? Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse. So, I think this is, work-related rin. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Practicality, I think. Some of you, makikipag-break ka sa isang Capricorn. Napaka-specific. Capricorn or air sign or fire. Because they're too self-centered. All about themselves. Some of you, ikaw itong makikipag-argue ka sa boss mo. Magre-resign yung iba dito. I'm hearing resignation letter. Na pwedeng hindi pa rin talaga pipirmahan ng kung sino man ito. No, diba? Yes. So there. So there's this energy about pendings, delays. Okay. So tayo tumungo na sa love. What's for you, Leos? In love. Leos in love. Anong meron? What's for you, Leos? Energy. Pagdating sa love, bago mag-end ang March, tingnan natin ano bang meron. The Devil. Ooh, that is sex. Yeah, lust. Okay, passion. What's with the Devil? The Moon in reverse. Gusto lang i-try. Some of you, meron lang ditong gustong mag-i-try. Be careful. May SEX dito. May SEX. May pregnancy. Yes. Yeah. May SEX dito. May pregnancy. Be careful. If you're not ready na magkaroon ng mini you, then be careful. Use protection. Okay, use protection. Somebody's into you physically. Sexually, they're into you. Capricorn, Pisces. What's for you? What else? The Six of Swords. The Ten of Cups. Some of you, meron kayong i-open pagdating sa family. I don't know, pwedeng ikaw itong may papakalala sa family mo or siya ipapakalala ka sa family niya, like that. Pagiging open, transparent, like that. Kung may nangyaring separation dito, may chance na pwedeng itatanong ng pamilya mo, nasa na si ganto? Uy, nasa na si Leo? Parang ganyan. So, it's like curious sila, nasa na? What happened? What happened? Parang ganon, ha? Okay, so yeah, they want to know. The Seven of Swords in reversed. People wants to know. Ano bang nangyayari na? Kung nasa na? Ano bang meron sa'yo? Some of you, kung wala ikaw love life, may chance na tatanungin ka. Relatives mo, ano bang meron na sa'yo? May jowa ka na ba? Kapakasal ka na ba? Parang ganun. Marami lang siguro na parang magkakaroon ng interest, no, pagdating sa'yo. May mga tanong. May mga curious. Okay? So, what else? Oh, the Three of Cups. Somebody wants to see you every day. Wants to be with you every day. A friend, maybe. Somebody will invite you to come over sa bahay nila, or maybe to have, sabihin natin, have a coffee. Tingnan natin, ano tong Three of Cups? That's date. Yeah, see, somebody will invite you. This is message, maybe, through message. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. The Lovers. Ooh. Iba sa inyo, meron kang friend na may gusto sa'yo. Could be a water sign or air or aqua. They're into you. Okay? And pwedeng itong magtapat. Pwede yung magsabi. Yeah, the Four of Cups in reversed. Pwedeng sabihin natin matagal niya rin kinimkim yon. Kung ano man. Meron ditong magsasabi ng totoo. The Four of Wands. Na they want to be with you, they want you, they like you. They love you. Yeah. Okay, so there's two. Nag-cut lang ako. Somebody is thinking of you sexually. Yeah. Thinking of you. Playing themselves while thinking of you. Okay. So, the person on your mind, Leo, who is this? The person on Leo's mind. Anong meron sa kanya? Okay. Sino to? Temperance. Could be a Sagittarius. The Magician. Sagittarius or Virgo. Patiently. They're like patient. Kayang gawin ng taong to kahit ano, pero they're like patient. Patiently, kung ano man. Dumarating na sa puntong itong taong to is minsan naiisip na rin na umaksyon, pero pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya. Okay? Mapagpasensya. Number 14. Number 1 could be significant. I don't know. Hindi naman ako natingin sa number, pero nakuha nito attention ko. At yeah, yung numbers. So let's see. Anong kailangan mo malaman sa situation, Leo? Some of you, you're manifesting this person, or maybe they're manifesting you. The Hierophant in reversed. Eight of Wands. Kailangan na ng stepping up dito, mga Leo. Kailangan na ng meron ditong mag-commit. Kailangan na ng action. Kailangan na may umaksyon dito. Para kayong ang tawag dyan, nag-iisipan ng taong to, nagpapaunahan kung sino ba ang unang mag-reach out. You're in a play. Sabihin natin you're in a waiting game. Waiting game. Mind games. Head games. Meron na ditong gustong i-level up yung situation. Or sabihin natin, yung sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon, kailangan ng i-level up. From immature to mature connection, I think. Okay? So, what is their emotion for you, Leo? What is their emotion? Let's see. The Ace of Wands in reversed. See the Two of Cups. They still feel you. Yeah, energetically, some of them, they're still into you talaga. They really like you though. Yun nga lang, pauyuhan kayo. Somebody's immature. Hindi rin kasi maalis sa isip ng taong to na baka mamaya, pag bumalik, mag-end again. Like that. Like on, off, on, off. May chance kasi na may nangyaring on, off sa inyo. Okay? The Ace of Wands is here in reverse. That's on, off. Even though na may nangyaring ganyan, they're still into you. They still like you. Want you. May tension lang dito, I think. So, anong meron? Next action ng taong to. Sa'yo, Leo. What is your next action? Eight of Cups, yeah. Bumalik. Babalik. Babalikan ka. The Eight of Cups. Yeah, and the Seven of Wands. To pursue you. To get your attention. Hindi mo malaman ang gusto ng taong to, Leo. The Empress is here in reversed. The Knight of Swords. Open ang line of communication with this person, pero hindi mo makikitaan ng parang progress. I don't know why. The Three of Wands is here in reverse. So, siguro itong taong to, na-trauma na. They have trauma, I think. Gusto nito ng pagbalikan, pagkakaayos, pero nandun din yung sa parang 50-50 siya. Gusto ko, pero parang ayoko na eh. Parang ganun. Andun nga kasi yung thinking na pwedeng, baka pag naging okay kami, ganun din naman. So, ang kailangan ng taong to is healing. Yes. Hinahayaan ng taong to yung sarili niya na hindi gumawa ng aksyon, pero gustong-gusto na nitong gumawa ng aksyon. Alam naman niya. Kaya naman niya lahat gawin. Kaya niya lahat sabihin. Kung kaya niyang puntahan ka, pwede kang puntahan ito. Pero marami siyang dahilan para hindi gawin. Isa na dun yung sabihin natin, baka hindi rin naman kami mag-click. Baka ganun na naman. Baka yun na naman. Like that. Okay? So, ano ba ang potential outcome ninyo bago mag-end ang March? Hindi malayo na iba sa inyo, nag-uusap naman pero hindi consistent. It's like, yes, magkausap kayo pero wala namang commitments. No label, some of you. So, anong meron? Potential outcome ng mga Leos. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune. The Tower in reverse. Ito sana. Seven of Swords. Leave the past behind. Parang yun naririnig ko. Enough with the past. Heal. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Alam nyo, may potential to. Sa totoo lang. The Tower in reversed. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong iwasan? Anong kailangan iwasan? The Nine of Wands in reverse. The trust issue may be the trust. Something, kung ano man ang hindi nakapagbigay ng maganda noon. Ayun ang mga kailangan ng iwasan. So, healing is number 1 dito. Healing, yeah. See the Six of Cups in reverse. This is trauma. So, this person may be pwedeng na-trauma or pwedeng ikaw na-trauma. I-fit lang yung sarili sa situation ninyo, okay? Huwag nyo yung i-fit yung sarili nyo sa hindi naman, okay? Hindi talaga magre-resonate. Okay, so pag-iwas, oo. So, maraming kailangan baguhin. Yun nga lang, iniiwasan. Iniiwasan na baguhin or maybe takot lang na iwasan. Mahirap. Ganun po talaga. So, may potential sana to. May magandang outcome sana. Depende sa magiging action ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Leo placements. Okay. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they're confused. They're in a crossroads. They want to take action pero parang di nila alam kung ano uunahin. Taurus, they're into you. They like you. attracted. Gemini, feeling a strong connection with you. They want to make an offer. Cancer, they're obsessed. Yeah, they're obsessed pagdating sa'yo. Leo, they're dropping you. Virgo, they want a new beginning. Another chance maybe. Libra, they want to see you. You're their source of happiness. You're their happy pill. Mga ganyan. Scorpio, you're in their head. You're in their head. Pero hindi nila yung pinapaalam sa'yo. They're obsessed pagdating sa'yo. Some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. Sagittarius, they're a liar. They're the liar, the cheater. They have options. Indecisive. Capricorn, a time waster. Or wala silang time for you. Aqua, they want to talk. They want to communicate. They want to reconnect, some of them. Pisces, I think they're ready. They want to maybe make plans. Pero ang nakuha ko dito, they're ready. Some of them kasi, ang nakuha ko din is committed sila. Kaya medyo delikado, no, kung gagawa man. Pero yeah, they like you. Yeah. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Bye.